In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best PC motherboards available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the PC motherboards list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the PC motherboards mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, QIYIDA X99 LGA 2011-3 Motherboard Set with Xeon E5 2680V4. The QIYIDA X99 motherboard with Xeon E5 2680V4 is designed for high-performance computing and workstations. It features PCIe 3.0 for fast data transfer, onboard LAN for seamless networking, and a cooling armor for efficient thermal management. The motherboard supports M.2 for both NVMe and SATA storage, making it ideal for users needing speed and versatility. Originally priced at $183.53, it is now available for just $81.76, offering an incredible 55% discount. Perfect for those building a powerful workstation. Number 4, MACHINIST MR9A Pro, LGA 2011-3 Xeon E5 v3 v4 CPU support. The MACHINIST MR9A Pro motherboard supports Xeon E5 v3 and v4 processors, making it a perfect choice for gaming, audio, video production, and office use. With 4-channel DDR4 RAM and up to 128GB RAM capacity, it offers great performance for multitasking in high-demand applications. It also features dual PCIe X16 slots for expansion and 3 M.2 slots for NVMe SSD compatibility. Originally $133.30, it's now available for just $60.82, with a 54% discount. A reliable motherboard for both professionals and gamers. Number 3, GIGABYTE B550M AORUS Elite Gaming Motherboard. The GIGABYTE B550M AORUS Elite is a top choice for gamers using Ryzen 5000/4000/3000 series CPUs. It offers customizable RGB lighting with RGB Fusion 2.0 and has anti-sulfur resistors for improved durability. PCIe 4.0 support ensures enhanced performance, while the 5-3-phase power supply guarantees stable CPU support. This motherboard is a great value, with a discount of 55% bringing the price down from $224.90 to $101.20. It's an excellent option for gamers looking to build a robust and stylish system. Number 2, GIGINYUE AM5B650i Night Devil ITX Motherboard. The GIGINYUE AM5B650i Night Devil ITX motherboard is ideal for gaming and high-performance computing with support for AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors. It features dual-channel DDR5 memory, providing speeds of up to 96 GB. With 2 PCIe X16 4.0 slots, this motherboard excels in gaming and graphics-heavy tasks. It also offers 4 SATA 3.0 and 2 M.2 NVMe interfaces for extensive storage options. Originally priced at $221.30, it's now available for $99.51, offering an impressive 55% discount. This motherboard is a perfect fit for compact high-performance systems. Number 1, N5105 Industrial Motherboard, high-performance versatile. The N5105 Industrial Motherboard is designed for servers, mining, and industrial applications. Featuring an Intel N5105 CPU with 4 cores and 4 threads, it provides powerful computing performance. With 2 USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and 6 SATA ports, it ensures ample connectivity for various devices. It also supports up to 64 GB of DDR4 SODIMM memory and has 2 M.2 slots for additional storage. Originally priced at $247.96, it's now available for $117, offering a 53% discount. This motherboard is an excellent choice for industrial computing needs.